Hello guys, welcome to Sketchup Coding tutorials. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to draw a socket. So the socket is like this, such that you can join another pipe from here, and you can also join another pipe from the outer part. So let's first see how to draw it in Sketchup model. I'll press Ctrl A and delete. First we are going to draw a circle by picking the circle tool like this, and again draw another circle like this. Then select the central face and press delete key to delete, and we are going to push it outwards. Then again we are going to draw a circle like this. Then we are going to push it outwards below, and we can also push it upward. Then by rotating we can see that we have created a socket like this. But how to do it in Sketchup Coding? Let's go directly to the Sketchup Coding. I'll press Ctrl A and press delete key to clear the Sketchup model. Now let's go to Ruby code editor. The process of drawing a socket is similar to drawing a hollow cylinder, but I'm not using a simple code, but I'm using a simple method to make our work easier. So first I'm going to make a method of drawing a flat ring. At first I will make this method and I will show you how does it work. Get flat ring. Suppose it will take a center, then it will take a vector, then it will take a big radius, and it will take small radius, and it will also take number of edges. Let's put here end. Then inside any method we need to use this coding also, so just copying and pasting over here. Then first I'm going to make a big circle. So big circle equals to entities dot add circle from the center point vector 1 and radius big comma number of edges. Then I'm going to draw a small circle equals to int dot add circle center at center 1 vector 1 radius small comma number of edges. Then I will make big face equals to int dot add face from big circle. Then I will make small face, which will be equal to entities dot add face from small circle. After doing this, I will erase the small face like this, and I will return the big face as a result. So let me explain how this method works. First it draws the big circle, then small circle, and then big face and small face like this. It draws a big circle first, and then it draws a small circle and small face dot erase. So the inner part is the small face, so it selects this and deletes it, and finally it returns the big face. So since big face does not have the inner face, so we will get this flat ring as our result. Now let's go to our main problem. For input, let's say center 1 equals 0, 0, 0. Let's say vector 1 equals 0, 0, 1. Then radius equals say 2. Let's say the inner thickness be 0.1. Let's say the outer thickness be 0.2. Then the number of edges be, let's say, 44. let's say the length of the socket be 5, and let's say the offset be 0.5. So these are our entries. Now what I will do is I will draw first the inner cylinder, inner hollow cylinder, and then I will draw the outer cylinder. So to draw the cylinder, let's first assign the center for this cylinder. That will be equal to, let's say, 0 comma 0 comma, the center point would go down by the unit of length divided by 2, and I'm going to add some offset which is taken to be 0.5. Then we can get small ring equals to, so we have already created this method, so this method will create the flat ring. So we will get flat ring, and the center for this is center small, then vector 1, then radius, the inner radius will be radius minus inner thickness, and the number of edges we have already assigned. So let's see, by running this program by pressing Ctrl R, it will give a flat ring like this. Then after getting this, we can pull this ring by a certain amount. So this is an inner cylinder, so I'm going to assign this value as length 1 minus 2 times offset, because it's smaller by 2 times offset. So let's run this program. The problem that occurs here is, since we are erasing this entirety, we are erasing the small face, so every time what we need to do is we need to go to the model, press Ctrl A, select all and delete, and then only again run this program by pressing Ctrl R. Then only it will work. So we have already got the smaller cylinder. Then we need to draw the big cylinder. For big cylinder, we are going to assign the center big equals to 0 comma 0 comma minus length 1 by 2. Then again we are going to get another ring, let's say it as big ring equals to get flat ring. The center is center big, and the vector is vector 1, and the radius is, the big radius is radius plus outer thickness, and the inner radius is simply equal to radius, and number of edges we have already assigned. And let's again go to the model, press Ctrl A, delete, and again go back to the Ruby code editor and press Ctrl R. Now we already got the big ring. Now again we are going to push this big ring by certain amount, and I assign this amount to be length 1, since it is of length 1 measure. So let's again go to this model, press Ctrl A, delete, and again come back and press Ctrl R. Now you can see that the two hollow cylinders are created like this, and it can be used as a socket. So in summary, what we can say is we used a method that gets a flat ring by using the bigger radius and smaller radius. Then we first get the hollow cylinder of the inner section, and then we got the outer hollow cylinder to make the socket. So that's all about drawing a socket in SketchUp Coding. So additional information are put in the description box below, and if you have any inquiries, feel free to leave in the comments below. And thanks for watching.